So Hot Wheels just added another classic Japanese car to its collection. This is a new for 2026 casting. It's a 1972 Datsun Sunny Coupe. Welcome to Small Model Car. We are looking at this Datsun today and we'll deep dive into it and look at all the details. So before we deep dive into all the details, you can see this new Datsun does have something really different which you normally don't see on the regular Hot Wheels mainline car. Can you guess what? Well, let's see. So when I say it has something different which you don't normally see on the mainlines, I was talking about the set of wheels. They look very different here. They're rounded and they don't look like any other Hot Wheels mainline wheels. So that's something new, I guess. I haven't seen those in any mainline cars. I've seen something like that on premiums, but not on mainline. This Datsun Sunny is finished in this beautiful orange paint, as you can see, and it comes with number 32 on the side. A lot of details on the side. Since I'm already here, we'll just talk about the side first. And this is the passenger side. It's a classic JDM, so the driver side is on the side. You can see it's highly modified. You can see flared wheel arches. This looks like vents. I don't know why. It's a front engine car. Look like vents here. Mirrors. Let's talk about the front. So you have both the mirrors here. Front has some details, as you can see. You can see the grille, headlamp, turn indicators, but none of them are painted. You also get a splitter in the front. I like the shape of the hood. If you look, looks like a mini Datsun 510, I would say. You also have both the windshield wipers built in the metal body. Now moving to the driver's side, and you can see there are again a lot of good details. Door handle is detailed. You get the number 32 on the side, the white stripes going to, and if you look at the rear quarter panel, it says Sunny there. Coming to the rear, again you can see where the tail lamp will most probably be, but it's not painted, so no details there. You got a trunk spoiler, not a huge one, there's one. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. It's all plastic, finished in orange. Side mounted exhaust, always cool to have. Interior is finished in black. See there, let me see if we can focus. Obviously it's a Japanese car, so you've got the steering wheel on the right hand side, and it looks cool, it looks nice. Really a lot of good details. Well, if you ask me, I will say that all mainlines should have headlamp and tail lamp details, but I know there are limitations how many passes of stickers they can do on one mainline casting. Obviously they have to keep the price, make some profit, right? If you can add some details, I think this will turn out to be even nicer. And the base, the starting of this casting looks really good. I'm pretty sure there will be more of this, some silver series, some premium if there's not already. But overall, I think it's a nice casting. Definitely needs some more details to look better, but looks good. And I think for 2026 for a mainline, that's nice. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.